Good morning, students. Joined with your social science teacher Joseph Linos. Today I am going to present Geography second unit, Weather and Climate. Measuring temperature. The temperature of a unit volume of air at a given time is measured in scales like Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Meteorologist measures the temperature by the thermometer, Stephenson scale, and minimum and maximum thermometer. The energy received by the earth through insolation is lost by outgoing radiation. Atmospheric is mainly heated by outgoing radiation from 2 to 4 pm. So, the maximum temperature is recorded between 2 and 4 pm regularly, and minimum temperature is recorded around 4 am before sunrise. Mean temperature. The average of maximum and minimum temperatures within 24 hours is called mean daily temperature. Diurnal range of temperature is the difference between the maximum and minimum temperatures of a day. Annual range of temperature is the difference between the highest and lowest mean monthly temperatures of a year. Wind. The horizontal movement of air is called wind. The wind system are broadly categorized into three as follows: planetary winds, seasonal winds, local winds. Planetary winds. Planetary winds are the ones which blow almost in the same direction throughout the year. So, they are called as permanent or planetary winds. Trade winds, westerlies and polar easterlies are the types of prevailing winds. Seasonal winds. Seasonal winds are those which change their direction according to season in a year. They are called as monsoon winds. These winds blow from sea to land during summer and land to sea during winter. Local winds. Local winds are the winds blow over a small area only during a particular time of a day or a short period of a year. Land and sea breezes are example of these winds. Weather elements and associated measuring instruments. Temperature measured is a scales like Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Meteorologist measures the temperature by the thermometer, Stephenson scale, and minimum and maximum thermometer. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is the source of most of fresh water on the earth. Rainfall is measured by rain gauge. Air pressure. Air pressure, meteorologist uses parameter, aneroid parameter to measure the air pressure. Porograms are used for recording continuous variation in atmospheric pressure. Humidity. Hydrometer is used to measure the humidity. Wind. Meteorologist measures wind direction using wind van or weatherhawk. Wind speed is measured by anemometer. Wind need rose is a diagram used to depict the direction and periods of prevailing winds on map. Metrogram or triple register is an instrument which records wind speed and direction, sunshine and precipitation. It also provides graphics. Weather. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmospheric at any place. Refer to short periods like a day, a week, a month, etc. Sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind, fog condition, air pressure, humidity, precipitation are some weather elements. Climate. Average condition of the weather of a place or a region, determined by measuring weather elements for a long period of time, usually for 35 years. Latitude, altitude, direction of winds, distance from the sun, ocean currents are some of the factors determining climate. Thank you, students.